Thank you for joining us for Local 3 News at 6. I'm Cindy Sexton.
And I'm Greg Glover. David Carroll's off today. A new bill in the Tennessee State Legislature would allow public and charter schools to deny students enrollment based on immigration status.
Well, the bill challenges a Supreme Court ruling from decades ago. People have questions about what this would look like and if it's even possible. Local 3's Catherine Vaughn has the story.
Cindy, Greg, lawmakers filed the bill Tuesday, and what the bill proposes goes directly against a 1982 United States Supreme Court decision. A controversial bill has sparked interest across the state after making its way to lawmakers' desks, and if passed could have major implications for undocumented students here in Tennessee. The bill challenges the landmark Supreme Court ruling in the 1982 Plyler versus Doe case, which rules that all children, regardless of citizenship, are entitled to free public education under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment.
The Plyler v. Doe Supreme Court decision said you cannot deny children of illegal immigrants admission to public school systems. It was a violation of equal protection. That's a part of the Constitution.
Jay Kennemer, an attorney at McMahon Law Firm, says passing the bill is a complex process.
That may be something people want, but that's not how you do it.
He says the state doesn't have the power to make that decision.
This is, a state level attempt of attempting to do that without really, I think, thinking it through.
He says the reason federal law trumps state law, but that doesn't mean it's impossible.
The only way that they're going to succeed is if they're intentionally setting up a challenge at the Supreme Court level to the Plyler v. Doe case that occurred back in 1982.
Kennemer says this could be an attempt to convince the Supreme Court to water down or amend the Equal Protection Clause. If this is the case, and it works, the bill will need approval from the House and Senate. If it passes both, it would take effect as soon as it's signed into law. Tennessee schools would decide whether they would implement the provisions of the law or not. The bill was introduced in the House and the Senate yesterday, and we'll be keeping track of the bill moving through the General Assembly on air and online. I'm Catherine Vaughn, Local 3 News.
Catherine.